Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Hostinger control panel. First thing I want you to do is come here to hostinger.com, come at the top, right click on login or sign up, and then click here on my account. Now once you're here, you get redirected to hpanel.hostinger.com. This is the complete control panel for Hostinger. You can go ahead and navigate to your website. Of course, you can go ahead and create new websites just by clicking on this, migrating websites as well. You have WordPress, website builder, everything right here. You have your domains you can go ahead and set up. You have horizons, emails, anything you want. You can go ahead and access new plans as well. Your e-commerce. You can also go ahead and use APIs here. Go ahead and share your account and give access to other people as well. And also go ahead and edit your website and add different things like store functionality, appointments, things like that as well. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.